All right, guys, we got a brand new, not almost brand new. He just bought it from CarMax, as you guys can see right there. Brand new to him. 2020 Lexus GX 460. Look at this thing, beautifully done in blue. Got that massive grille, massive everything. Look at this, so pretty. Anyways, what we got done on it: factory converter there, main converter there, and there. So it's got a total of 4 converters. Then it wires into a single there. Then what we did is a mid muffler delete right there. Then we also did a rear resonator delete right there, and kept his original tip on it. He didn't want to change the look of it, just wanted to change the sound. So said, we got you. And make sure you guys stay till the end to watch the drive off. And here's the factory muffler that was on it and factory resonator that was on it. We cut both of them off, and now it's lost about 40 pounds of weight. So I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Lexus GX 460 straight positive. You can do high flow cats too. The secondaries, we can do high flow. One more. Yeah, it's not crazy loud, just clean. So you're gonna lift it? Yeah. How many inches?
3.
Yeah.
That's all they make for this one.
Oh, really? 3-inch lift is coming on this thing. Surprisingly quiet on idle too. It's really quiet on idle. Barely hear a run. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus GX 460. Perfect.